I'm Rahul, the founder of Browzer. Browzer is an AI native DevRel studio. Just connect your GitHub repository once, and we automatically generate docs for SDKs, CLIs, product guides, all of it, and also help you generate technical content like blogs, quick starts, cookbooks, video demos, all of it that's self-paced. So every time there's a change being pushed to your main branch, you don't need to come in and manually make changes. All of that is taken care of for you. So in this video, we'll be going through a quick demo of how Browzer works. So first things first, you need to configure a GitHub repository. In this case, I've already forked the Fireworks Python SDK and connected that particular repository. So after to connect a repository, you can just click on connect a repo and select a repo of your choice. Once you've connected a repository, you can simply go to the SDK CLI docs and click on generate docs for one repo. Again, in this case, we already generated a bunch of docs. This process usually takes about 15 minutes, which is why I generated a bunch of docs beforehand. But all of these docs are basically docs around the Python SDK for Fireworks. Once you feel like the docs are in a good spot, you can just go into the Help Center tab and enable your Help Center. I've already enabled this Help Center, which is why it shows up over here. But when I click on this, it's going to make a change to the URL. So yeah, we also host the docs for you on a website that we take care of. And the branding of the website aligns very closely with the branding of your company. So you don't need to worry about anything as well with respect to branding. The next part is content. So every time changes are being pushed, we automatically generate change logs. And in case you're not happy with the change log or want to create a change log at any given point in time, you can just create on generate content and select a time window. And let's say in this case, last 30 days, generate a change log. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Same thing with blogs as well. In this case, I've already created a blog for comparing Fireworks versus Baseden, and it gives you a full-fledged blog with a bunch of mermaid diagrams and all of it as well. You can also generate cookbooks, and every cookbook, quick start, and code block in your docs actually goes through a verification loop. This verification happens on data in our sandboxes. We do unit testing and end-to-end testing as well. So in this case, we've already generated a cookbook. And as you can see, 4 of the unit tests were checked, 4 were executed, and 6 were skipped. And this is the cookbook. You can either approve to publish it or publish it to a new repo. If you approve to publish it, it will just show up on the Help Center. Finally, on the quick start side, these quick starts actually go through a proper verification as well. Over here it says the code executed correctly, but hit a 404 because the specified model is not deployed or accessible in Fireworks. And the model we were trying to use was KimiK2 or KimiK2 instruct 0905. And you can also see the output that it encountered. So all you need to do is make a change and you're good to go. Finally, we also create social content. So all you do is you click on, you can just, give a simple prompt, click on generate a video, give a simple prompt over here, and we automatically create videos for you. And every time there's a push, so every time there's a update to your main branch or a change log is being created, we automatically create a demo video for the change log as well. This is Browzer. Our goal is to help DevRels make sure that they can focus more on the in-person aspects of their job, where they actually work with humans, get them onboarded, because we've noticed that is something that DevRels love doing more, managing the community, hosting hackathons, all of it, and having to do the mundane tasks which can be automated. That's what Browzer is. If you're a DevRel and want to use Browzer, you can reach out to me. We'd love to chat. Thank you.